Hello subscribers, Merry Christmas to each one of you, and thank you for your warm wishes. This winter, I created a snowman using Blender. Let's take a look at how it's made. I have just opened a fresh Blender project and deleted the default cube. Let's kick things off with the base. Adding a sphere because every snowman deserves a solid foundation, just like we do in life. Copy pasta that sphere, resize it, and stack it on top to make the body. One more copy for the face, resize it, and there you go. Our snowman's all puffed up. Snowmen absolutely love their carrots, right? I am adding a con mesh to shape the nose. Rotating it to get the perfect angle, and then placing it right on the face. And just like that, we are one step closer to bringing this little guy to life with a touch of magic. Adding hat to Snowman will truly gives him personality and completes his look. I begin by adding a circle mesh to form the base of the hat. Then jump into edit mode and start extending it upward to give it height. It's important to keep an eye on the shortcut keys at the bottom of the screen. These are your best Blender buddies. Press E to extend the hat upward, giving it that perfect magical look. Press A to select all the vertices and an F to close the top. And our snowman is rocking his very own top hat. Now let's bring in the details. For buttons, I am reusing the sphere. Three copies, placed neatly down the body. For ice, I am adding torus meshes. I chose a torus shape for the ice because it creates a pleasing look. Want a quick trick? Use the mirror modifier to create a perfectly symmetrical pair. For the hands, I went with the classic tree trunk style. I began by adding a cylinder and positioning it to form the arm. This creates a strong, organic base, which gives the hands a grounded, natural look. Later on, We can add a brown tree trunk color to give it that authentic, woody appearance, enhancing the overall aesthetic. To save time, we can mirror the tree trunk for the other side. This way, we ensure both arms have the same structure and proportions without having to manually replicate the work. For the smile, we all know that a snowman without a smile is like Christmas without cookies. So, to give him that cheerful expression, I am going to start with our torus shape, which naturally resembles the curve of a smile. We will move into edit mode and follow the method of will show to delete to the remaining half, leaving us with the perfect smile shape. After that, we can adjust the curve a little bit more to make sure it's just right, giving him a perfect, friendly grin that will make anyone smile back. This simple yet effective approach helps to add that special touch that really brings the snowman to life. Of course, it's freezing outside, and our snowman needs a scarf to stay warm. Add a circle mesh for the base, covering the neck. In edit mode, extend the vertices of the circle and position them accordingly. To increase the thickness of the mesh, use the Solidify modifier. Add a plain mesh to represent the scarf hanging from the neck. Switch to edit mode and follow me steps to make it look natural, like a scarf. As usual, use the Solidify modifier to increase the thickness. All right, now we come to the fun part, coloring. This is where all your hard work starts to come to life. First, let's start with the scarf. You will want to give it a bold, vibrant red color. Next, let's move on to the carrot nose. We all know that classic snowman look, and to achieve that, we will give the nose an orange color. For the eyes, we use a classic, striking black color. For the mouth, a simple dark brown or black color works best. Traditionally, a black hat works well. Now, onto the buttons. The black collar will give everything that classic, crisp look that ties everything together. Finally, for the tree trunk hands, you want to go for a nice woody brown. This earthy tone will add a natural feel to your creation. Finally, let's make a small but important adjustment to the scarf. I have just switched up the view in Blender by changing the render engine into cycles. If you are interested in a full tutorial on how to work with cycles, or if you are looking to learn more Blender tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's create even more Blender magic together and bring your 3D creations to life. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Let's embrace this winter season together. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button and click on the next video.